Hello, my name is Jason Yuan, Product and Marketing at Sangfor. It's a great pleasure for me to talk about SD-WAN and why it is important for you. The business requirement to connect branch to the headquarters are typically to connect the users, point of sale, and other IoT devices to the headquarters for office applications, critical customer applications, or voice over IPs. How that's done traditionally is through dedicated MPLS network, or sometimes through public internet. And the connection is fairly simple. MPLS connects to the data center, some of the branch connect to the internet, and also connects to the data center. Here are the basic requirements to get to branch connectivity. First is cost. Not only we need to worry about capital expenditure, but also ongoing operational expenditure. Then, network. Network not only has to be fast, but also reliable. Third is application delivery. To guarantee user productivity and user experience. Fourth is security. There is the security of transmitting company-related data across the public internet, as well as security of protection your core users, as well as your assets across different locations. And then lastly, management. In management, we're talking about both deployments of these branch locations, as well as monitoring, as well as pushing out different policies centrally. And here are the challenges with the traditional network. With MPLS, it typically takes 2 to 3 months just to set it up with your ISP, and oftentimes it is very costly. With the internet access, it is free and it's fast, but it's not very reliable. And sometimes the network gets dropped and there's no SLA associated with that. And for applications, since your users may be accessing some other social media or other applications, there's no guarantee that your office is working or your voice over IP calls are functional. And security is not existing. I already mentioned transmission across the internet is subject to interception by anyone in the middle. Also, there's no protection for the users, or sometimes lack of protection on the data center side. For management, you may have IT specialists at the headquarters that can do all the jobs, but oftentimes at different branch locations, there are no IT people at the branch locations. And to configure each of the device, it takes time, and oftentimes it will have to send someone to travel from the headquarters to different branch locations. That's expensive as well. In recent years, many of us are rushing to SaaS. 95% of us are using some sort of SaaS to get the benefit of Office 365 and G Suite, Dropbox, and others. The issue with that is oftentimes that requires connections from the internet. The internet connectivity is not guaranteed. And more importantly, if an office is connecting SaaS through their MPLS, the bandwidth can be very, very small, providing very poor user experience for your Office 365 access. Here is how SD-WAN works. Let's define SD-WAN. SD-WAN securely connects users to your applications, whether they're located in a data center or in the cloud, securely across any WAN transport, whether it is a dedicated line or internet or any other means. Let's take a closer look at how Sangfor SD-WAN works. Sangfor SD-WAN, I'll use this icon, can be deployed at branch level or at the headquarter level, and it can connect to both internet as well as MPLS. This provides one, redundancy. If any of the links goes down, the other link picks it up. It also offers a path selection that is dynamic based on application. So an application that travels across the internet is optimized through the best internet carrier that it performs. So this saves money. And the network is much reliable and faster. I'll give you some examples. We have customers who were able to pay for all the SD-WAN devices by themselves without raising a single dollar from their regular IT budget, simply by lowering their cost of MPLS. In addition, Sangfor's SD-WAN can reach into many remote locations where internet access is either expensive or inaccessible. We support LTE, 4G, and pretty soon 5G in coming year to allow customers to take advantage of the Wi-Fi and get access to both SaaS as well as internet access. Sangfor SD-WAN has 3 ways to improve the application experience. One, we have a built-in WAN optimization that allow IT admin to define policies at the network to guarantee traffic for office-related traffic and to minimize the usage for non-work-related traffic. Second, our WAN optimization can select application delivery, either voice over IP over MPLS or email through the public internet. This actually also guarantees certain network-sensitive applications. Thirdly, we have built-in accelerator within SaaS. This is our SD-WAN located on the cloud that allows us to accelerate between any of these points to further speed up Office 365 access. This improves productivity. We also have multiple ways to offer a complete security. They are all integrated. All the VPN traffic going across the internet are encrypted using AES 256. Also, to provide protection for the users, we have embedded secure web gateway at the branch level, or we can actually configure a firewall to protect either the users or the data centers. And finally, management. Sangfor's management can allow IT admin to remotely deploy our gateways using a zero-touch deployment methods. We can also push out policies, upgrade licenses, all centrally. And we can actually monitor all these from a central location. On top of that, Sangfor has introduced our own security operations center, allows further security operation centrally across all regions. In summary, Sangfor's SD-WAN provides a affordable, reliable, and increased productivity for the users, and it has built-in security, and it simplifies the management. Thank you.